Passport Point of Sale collects a wide variety of data about your business, but you may not need to see all of it all the time. Flexible report settings let you tell Passport what data to send you and what to keep, all based on your business preferences. Here's how to add and remove reports in Passport. On your manager's workstation, go to Setup and tap Store. Go to Period Maintenance. Select the Store Close Report tab and highlight the report you want to include. Select the Store Close Report button at the bottom of the tab. Notice that there's now an X in the Store Close Report column for the report you selected. The Store Report will print all reports you selected in one consolidated report stream. Follow the same steps for auxiliary reports by highlighting the report name and selecting the Auxiliary Report button. Each auxiliary report will print on a single page as a report by itself. Select Save and you'll receive the selected reports at the next store close. Just another tedious task Passport handles, so you don't have to.